Hey, my name is Cindy. I'm from West Virginia. I have never touched a drone before, but I caught Diego and Damon's presentation on a Facebook reel or something like that. I don't know. I immediately got excited. And their class so far, day one, sorry about this chat, has lived up to my expectations. I'm excited to learn more about marketing and more about the business. Thank you. So, my name's Cindy, and I'm from West Virginia. Just a couple hours ago, we finished with day two of Drone Command, and I just wanted to say that it's been extremely valuable. I've learned a lot about marketing, things that did seem very obvious once you learned it, but it, it just made me feel like I could do it. And it was explained in such a way that I don't feel intimidated. And you kind of almost look back to all these other things that you tried before that failed when the answers were so obvious. But you don't know until you know, right? Um, Diego and Damon are wonderful people. His whole team is wonderful. They're great at answering questions and they're very down to earth and they really explain everything in a way that you can understand. I have zero drone experience. I've literally never even flown my first one. And I'm going to start a business and I want to be successful. And I owe these guys a lot. And I hope you give them a shot.